Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be making belay with red beans and some shrimp, small shrimp. So I'm just gonna fry the beans. Okay, I just added some shrimp, and now I'm going to add some garlic with green onions. And it's good to use organic. It makes such a difference. Organic garlic. Now, what I was going to say about the garlic is that it tastes a lot like garlic from Haiti when you buy organic garlic. Now, I just added some coconut milk. It's kind of still frozen, so because if I don't use it fully, I just store it in. You need to let it cook in this yummy sauce for at least 15 minutes. So it has I just added some green bell pepper, and this one is habanero pepper, and I'm going to add some butter, and in here I have some marinating sauce. It's basically, it has some Maggi, which I don't usually use when I'm cooking, but I have it because I was making some fried plantains. I thought that was a piece of plantain there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use it in this. And then there's a little bit of salt in there too. At this point, guys, we're gonna add the belay. I'm not sure how you call it in English. Maybe wheat, or I don't know how you call it. It has been washed, and make sure you wash it well. Like, sometimes I wash it at least 10 times. But we're gonna add some thyme, and then just let it boil on the low heat. I really love the flavor that thymes bring. Thyme. It really gives you